Stop making AI POV videos. The algorithm hates them now. Instead, the new AI selfie hack can make them 10x more viral. And the craziest part? Nobody is using this new trick. And instead of creating it manually using multiple AI tools, I have found a completely new AI tool that generates it in seconds with a single click. And it also offers multiple video styles. All you need is a brilliant story idea. And don't worry, we'll generate it with just one special prompt, which I'm giving away for free. So, watch this video till the end before it gets saturated. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a quick preview of what we'll be creating today. Alright, let's generate a video idea. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with something unique, we'll use a ChatGPT prompt that spits out 10 viral ideas in 10 seconds. You can access it from my Discord server. Simply copy this and paste it into ChatGPT, and bam, ChatGPT does what would take you hours. Just scroll through and pick one that feels right. Alright, time to reveal the tool that makes the process super easy. Introducing aicut. It can create viral short videos in minutes, and it also offers a wide range of features. So head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you have completed your sign-in, you'll be brought to this friendly dashboard. Now here's where things get exciting. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see how to create new AI selfie videos. But really quick, smash that like button and subscribe, as 95% of you watching haven't subscribed yet. I cover AI tools like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Click on the AI POV feature. It offers 2 choices for creating a video. The first option generates scenes automatically based on the given story idea. However, if you want complete control over your project, use the Start from Scratch option. I will choose the first option because it is simple and quick. From here, change the mode to Selfie, and simply enter a video idea generated by ChatGPT. Choose an image model from below. I'll go with the Pro model as it creates more realistic images. Next, choose an aspect ratio. A pro tip, this selfie mode works great with a 16:9 ratio. However, as of now, I'll choose 9:16. Next, choose the length of your video. So, once you're also done, simply click the Generate button from below. aicut will start generating scenes based on your video idea, and as you can see, it has generated 6 scenes with consistent faces. Now this is very cool. It actually lets you fine-tune every detail, like changing and editing an image, adding captions, converting it into an AI video, as well as sound effects and visual effects. Let's go through all of those features quickly. The Change Image option lets you change an existing image completely. It's the only tool that lets you choose an image mode. Enter a new prompt in this box. Select an image model and hit Generate. Or you can even upload your images from here. The Edit option lets you modify an existing image, such as adding small changes to it, upscaling an image, restyle it completely by choosing an image model from below, and even face swapping your main character. Next up is the Caption option. You can add text based on the scene, adjust the size and position of the text. Additionally, you can choose a caption style from the options given below. However, the AI video is the most interesting option. Simply choose a video model from here. The runway model is less detailed and so costs only 1 token, while the Kling Pro model generates better motion and so costs 2 tokens. I would recommend going with the Kling Pro model. Next, you can choose a prompt from the template, or can enter your own custom prompt. Next up is the Sound Effects option. You can add up to 4 sound effects in a scene. It can be generated or uploaded directly from your device. To generate a sound effect, simply enter a prompt and click Generate, and within seconds, a sound effect will be added to the scene. Lastly, you can add an eye blink visual effect in your scenes. It can be either in the middle or at the end. Additionally, you can even add more scenes if you want, and can choose a background music from a wide range of options. As of now, I will not choose any of them. This is how easy it is to create AI POV videos from a single idea. So, I've transformed all of my images into videos, added a few scenes to enhance the storyline of the video, with a combination of both AI POV and AI selfie modes, generated sound effects for all the scenes, and lastly, added captions to enhance the viewing experience. It's the only tool that provides this level of customization. So once you're also done with all of your adjustments, simply click turn images into AI videos, and AI cut will begin the process. Once completed, click Render Final Video. Let's fast forward through the process. And, as you can see, our video is ready. You can edit the video, share it immediately on your social media accounts, or download it with a single click. Here's a preview of what I've created. Wait, before you even think about skipping, I'll prove why 99% of AI POV videos fail in 10 seconds. Look, this is the old AI POV style, and this is the new selfie trick we made today. See the difference? The left one has zero emotional pull and seems robotic, but the right one? Total stop scroller. It actually looks like a real person vlogging with emotions. But here's the catch. Even with this tool, most creators still make the same 3 mistakes. First, they use unrealistic and potato quality images because they ignore the Pro model and choose Kling Standard as the video model. Second, skipping sound effects. Hear this. They're not just background noise, they're the heart of every viral video. And lastly, probably the worst of all, not appreciating this video by smashing that like button. Come on guys, I'm giving away all of my secrets here. Now let's talk about pricing. So I want to be transparent with you guys. AI cut is not free, and you start with 0 tokens. However, you can get 2 free tokens by joining their Discord server and requesting them in the free video tokens channel. However, the free version of AI cut has certain limitations, which can make your content look unprofessional. If you want to genuinely make money from your Faceless channel, then it's worth considering their subscription plans. AI cut offers 2 plans. The Creator plan for $15 a month and the Automate plan for $39 a month. I recommend the Automate plan because it contains automated campaigns for automatic video creation and posting, which can save you time by uploading while you sleep. You can choose between monthly and yearly subscriptions and can even buy tokens separately. The pricing is quite reasonable, considering the wide range of features you get. So to purchase a plan, use the link provided below. And just like that, we've created AI POV videos using the new selfie mode. Create your own video in 24 hours, then share the link below, and I'll comment on the best one. You already know how GOAT this niche is. As a result, I highly recommend giving AI cut a try, using the link given below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.